Hello guys, Jedo here. In this video we're gonna see how do we hide the fact that we are using WordPress. Okay, for instance, if you come to that website that says markandstake.com, how do you know in the first place that that person is using WordPress to build this digital marketing agency? It's easy. All you have to do is to tap in the domain name, which is markandstake.com, and then just put slash and tap in WP admin. Okay, since you have that thing, it will redirect to the login page that will take you to the backend. Okay, so as you can see, as soon as I tap in markandstake.com slash WP admin slash and I hit enter, you see it redirect you to that backend where you see the logo of WordPress. So right away you know that the person is using WordPress. So while this is doesn't mean that your WordPress is vulnerable, because WordPress per se is a pretty secure thing. Okay, otherwise you would see people hacking other people's websites every day, because there are tons of people using WordPress who doesn't know or who don't know what I'm gonna show you today. Okay, so they just using it like that, they don't hide anything. Okay, so it's not a security issue per se, but if you hide it, you're gonna give an extra work to the hackers. Okay, it's gonna be an extra layer of security, plus it gonna hide the fact that you're using WordPress. Okay, this is pretty important, because I guess, at least for me, I don't want everyone to know that I'm using WordPress. Okay, I don't think it's a good idea to do that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna enter the backend. Okay, I don't know, I think I don't know my backend. Okay, my password. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to a different website. Okay, that I'm also administrating. So I'm just gonna go here, and then yeah, you might find it weird that I don't know my password, but it's okay, because when you are using a hosting company, most of the time, when you create your WordPress website, they give you a login URL. So most of the time I enter my backend through that URL, so I don't really use a password, though I should do it. Okay, but if you want to do it, you only need to come to users and then hit click. You will see your username, but it won't have any password. So all you have, for example, there, if you come, you see that I don't have any name, it's only the email address. Okay, so all you have to do is to come here and edit the thing. Okay, and here you're gonna have to add your password. Okay, so here you're gonna have to set password, and when you're done, just hit save, and you will have your password, so you won't have to come to your hosting page to enter. So now I don't want to do that. Okay, so all you have to do is to go to plugins. Okay, and the left side, you're gonna see that bar, that vertical bar. So just search for plugins. Okay, yeah, and then just go to add new, and then just go here, search for plugins, and then search for iThemes. Okay, you know, WordPress, one of the pro that WordPress has is that it has tons of plugins that you can use to do the same thing. So if you know a different plugin that you can use to do the same thing, you can just share it in the comment below, so other people can have access to it as well. Okay, so yeah, but the one that I'm gonna use for this video is that thing that says iThemes security. Okay, it's a pretty good one, it's a pretty complete one, and I guess that, yeah, in my opinion, I see that I can say that they give you a lot of features for free. Okay, so yeah, so just hit, in this case I have it installed and activated, so that's why you can see it says active, but for you it gonna say install, and then when you hit install it gonna says activate. Okay, so after that, what you gonna have to do is to head back to that bar, that vertical bar. Okay, just head back to it, and then search for that part that says security. Okay, so and just go to settings. When you go to settings, you will see that there is a part that says advanced. Okay, just go, so if you want to complete the other stuff, it's pretty great. I've done plenty, I've complete all the stuff. Okay, but for this video, all I want to is to show you is how to hide your a WordPress identity. I mean, how to hide the fact that you are using WordPress. Okay, so all you have to do is to come to here to advanced. Okay, and then go to that part that says hide backend. Okay, so just hit it, and for yours it gonna says not found. Okay, for me I just change it to home. Okay, all you have to do is change it, delete the not found thing. Okay, and then replace it here, just here where it says redirection slug. Okay, so just add a home. Okay, why I decide to do that, when you have do not found, it's like you just redirect the person to a page that does not exist. Okay, that doesn't help a lot. Okay, so when you just redirect a person to a page that does not exist, so that's why I think it's better to redirect the person to your home page, so the person can see other stuff, for example your services, etc, etc. So for that reason, I suggest you to just use that thing. Okay, just redirect it to the home page, and then that's all. Okay, your backend will be hidden. Okay, so just hit save. Don't forget, if you don't hit save, it's not gonna be saved. So that's all you have to do to hide your WordPress backend. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share if that's okay for you. So that's all. I'm out.